Hi everybody, my name is Mike and I'm the engineer here at Pulltarps, and today I wanted to go over a couple details about some design updates we're going to be making to our EZ-Mount bolt-on assemblies, which are for the pivots. On the left here you can see I've got one of our current designs, and on the right here I've got one of the newer design updates that we're going to be going to. The major difference between the two plates is the one here. The current design on the left is made of steel, and the newer ones are going to be made of a 6061 aircraft aluminum. And there's kind of two major benefits that I wanted to go over about them. The first one being is the aluminum material itself is a bit more corrosion resistant than the steel plate with its zinc coating. So the major benefit for the customer is that it's going to last longer, be a little bit more durable as far as corrosion in harsh environments, which a lot of our trucks do operate in, being either off-road or doing lots of highway miles. So you'll have less issues with it rusting away or the hardware getting stuck. The second major benefit is the material itself, being that it's corrosion resistant, actually allows us to remove the plating operations that we currently do to the steel one, which keeps it from rusting. And by removing that, we're able to actually bring all of the manufacturing processes for them in-house. And so the benefit for you guys as the customer is allows us to make them much faster. We don't have to wait for them to go out and come back from vendors. So the big benefit is that we should be able to easily keep them in stock. And if we ever do run out of stock, we can quickly replenish that stock to make sure that these plates are not holding up shipments, or that if you need them in some kind of an emergency, we can quickly manufacture them and get them shipped out to you. Being made of the aircraft aluminum, it still maintains the same strength and durability that the steel ones do, and we've gone through a decent amount of physical testing and corrosion testing to make sure that we don't have any corrosion or strength issues with either the operation or the installation of pivots on these new assemblies. A couple notes about the mounting plates is that the aluminum one, as far as a physical shape, is identical to the old design. So any of the new plates that we start shipping out to people shouldn't affect the design of any truck bodies. They should bolt directly in place where an older steel design would be. The only other thing to note about them is if any customers have been ordering or receiving the older steel EZ-Mount plate and welding it to their truck body, which is totally fine. The only thing that would be of note is the newer aluminum plates will obviously not weld to a steel truck body. If you have aluminum bodies, you can weld it to an aluminum body. That's totally fine. But if you have steel bodies and need to weld on your pivot mounts to your steel truck body, we do offer a specific weld-on mount for that application, and just reach out to our customer service agents and they'll be able to make sure that you get the right mounting plate for that weld-on application. Other than that, there's not too much different about it. The price will be the same, and that's pretty much it.